Do you want to go to Disneyland? Let's go. Jeannie. Jeannie. Do you want to go to Disneyland? Do you want to go to Disney? Yeah? Wow! Super cute! Good morning! Rosie, where are we going? We're going to Disneyland. It is pouring with rain, which is great. The girls are already upstairs having breakfast. There's a breakfast buffet with the hotel. And we're just heading up to go have some breakfast. Hello. Hey, Jean. Jean.
I can take you back now if you want.
Thank you.
No, the castle one.
We can't go on the aerial road because we're not going into that park right now. Lovely weather. It's great weather. I'll go find them. Oh dear, Judy, we're in Disneyland, baby. We're in Disneyland. Oh dear, it is a wet day. Alaska!
You guys go ahead, just get inside.
We're in Disneyland!
Which like is wet.
I know, same. Baby, come on. Let's go see the castle. Come on.
Where is it?
Up around the corner. Up around the corner.
Let's see the castle.
Let's go see the castle. Keep walking.
Let's see the castle.
I know. Even though it's really wet. Oh, there's a car coming behind us. Bobby, come up on the pavement. Oh, mighty puddle. Look, Alaska. Wait for the car to go past and we're going to see the castle. Alright, step back down into the road. Come here. Look straight ahead. What do you see? Jeannie, look. Jeannie, do you see it? The castle. It's so beautiful. We lasted an hour and a half in the park. It is miserable, pouring rain, we're all saturated, we're all freezing. We're giving up, going back to the hotel, and we're going to try again later because this is just, it's not it. We can't do it. The kids are miserable, we're all just saturated. Everyone wants to push through, and I'm like, no, we're going. It's too hard with a baby. It's too cold, and it's too wet. It is not just, it's not drizzling, like it is pouring with rain. So we're going to give up and come back later. We do have 6 days to use in the park, so it is what it is. It's an adventure, so bye castle. See you later. Going for round 2, see if we can actually get on the ride this time.
Okay, Lasky, you gotta keep up the
Keep
pace.
going. Beautiful. Alright, we're back, Alaska. Do you remember what's around the corner?
Yes, the castle.
The castle, round 2. A bit drier this time.
I can see it.
Where is it?
Hello, everyone. Favorite tournament.
There's the castle.
Castle.
Yay!
Hooray!
Hooray, we made it back.
We going? What picture is that? Oh yes, come on. Oh yes, going past now.
Morning.
Oh,
Hi,
yes, the double
Gaston.
chariot. Very nice. Very
Thank you.
Yes, maybe some spiders too. Pretty interesting. With like lots of furry pets. Yes. For now, do you want to join for a portrait together? Do you want to join in on this side? Very exciting.